Louise Evans here, Product Genius at Porsche Centre Teesside. Today we're bringing you a new how-to video, and today we'll be looking at the Porsche Macan. Today's video is going to look at how to adjust and reset the boot height on your Porsche Macan. Whether you're visiting a multi-storey car park and you need to reset for the head clearance, or whether you keep your Macan in a garage at night, you might want to personalise this setting so your boots will only open to a certain height. I'm going to show you how to do that now. That's the standard height setting that the vehicle will adjust to. If you would like to change this height for the reasons mentioned before, simply grab hold of the boot, adjust to whatever height you would like it to sit at, hold the button in, for about 3 seconds you'll hear the bleep, and that has reset to the height that you'd like. And then if you close the boot, the next time you open your boot, it will only go to the height that you have requested. So if you would like to put your boot right back up, all you need to do, push it back up again, re-hold the button for 3 seconds while the bleep, and that has readjusted to the original height. Simply close. Then all you need to do is repeat the process if you wanted to alter the height accordingly. Thank you for watching our how-to video, Adjust the Height on the Macan boot. We will be bringing you more how-to videos in the near future, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, Porsche Centre Teesside. Thank you, bye-bye.